Hello, this is Nikki in Niagara coming to you from Niagara Falls, Canada. And today we're going to take a look at Scandi-Nature coloring book by Jen Racine. The back cover tells us there are 35 pictures in this book. We have two sample pages and 3 sample colored pages, a few of her similar books. And when we open the book, we have a grayscale title page. We have a few of her other Scandi type coloring books on this side. And then we start right in. This is an Amazon printed book. These pictures are very Scandinavian in style. Each one features an animal, a plant, or an object surrounded by typical Scandinavian design. There's a familiarity to the pages, which can often be calming as you're going through a book, or as you come to a book, knowing what you're going to find. And yet the pages aren't identical at all. There are no frames except for a couple. And this type of picture doesn't call for a frame, as it doesn't really have the need for a background, unless one is going to go for a simple color to put on the back. The framed pictures are more in a setting where there is a sky and there is a ground. The pages are single-sided and the line work is bold. Nice, clear lines and closed. And 35 is quite a large amount of pages to get in a coloring book these days. The usual amount is around 20 to 25, so we're getting a good extra 10 pages at least here than a normal book. And the book ends with 2 pieces of blank paper, which can be used for scratch paper. So once again, this is Scandi-Nature by Jen Racine.